Adobe Premiere. Course title: Adobe Premiere Pro Fundamentals. Course description. This course provides an introduction to video editing using Adobe Premiere Pro. Students will learn how to import and organize media, create a sequence, edit and trim clips, add audio and transitions, apply effects, and export a final video project. Students will also learn how to work with multiple video tracks, create titles and graphics, and work with color correction tools. Module 1: Introduction to Adobe Premiere Pro. Overview of Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Adobe Incorporated. It is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite of applications and is widely used by video editors, filmmakers, and content creators for creating high-quality videos for various purposes, including film, television, web, and social media. Some key features of Adobe Premiere Pro include: 1. Editing tools. Premiere Pro provides a comprehensive set of editing tools, including trimming, splitting, merging, and rearranging clips in the timeline. It also offers advanced editing features such as multi-camera editing, clip nesting, and color correction. 2. Effects and transitions. Premiere Pro includes a wide range of visual effects, transitions, and filters that users can apply to their video clips to enhance their visual appeal. It also supports third-party plugins, allowing users to extend its capabilities with additional effects and transitions. 3. Audio editing. Premiere Pro offers advanced audio editing capabilities, including audio mixing, equalization, noise reduction, and audio keyframing. Users can also work with multi-channel audio and apply audio effects to their clips. 4. Motion graphics. Premiere Pro has integration with Adobe After Effects, which allows users to create and import motion graphics, titles, and lower thirds directly into their Premiere Pro projects. Users can also animate text and graphics within Premiere Pro using its built-in tools. Overall, Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful and versatile video editing software that offers a wide range of tools and features for professional video editing. It is widely used in the film, television, and content creation industries and is considered one of the industry standards for video editing software. System requirements. The system requirements for Adobe Premiere Pro can vary depending on the version of the software and the specific features you plan to use. Here are the general minimum and recommended system requirements for Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2022, which is the latest version as of my knowledge cutoff date, September 2021. Minimum system requirements for Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2022. Operating system: Windows 10, 64-bit, or Mac OS 10.14, Mojave, or later. Processor: Intel 6th generation or newer CPU or AMD equivalent with SSE 4.2 support. RAM: 16 GB of RAM, 32 GB or more recommended. Graphics card: 4 GB of GPU VRAM, 8 GB or more recommended, and Adobe certified GPU card for GPU accelerated performance. Hard disk space: 4 GB of available hard disk space for installation. Additional free space required during installation. Cannot install on a volume that uses a case-sensitive file system or removable flash storage devices. Monitor: 1920 by 1080 or higher display resolution with 100% DPI. Sound card: Adobe recommended sound card for audio workflow. Note: these are the minimum and recommended system requirements for Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2022, but it's important to note that the actual performance of the software may vary depending on the complexity of your projects, the size of your media files, and other factors. For optimal performance, it's recommended to use a system that exceeds the minimum requirements, especially for high-resolution or complex video editing projects. Also, make sure to check Adobe's official website for the most up-to-date system requirements, as they may change with software updates. Tour of the interface. Sure. Let's take a tour of the Adobe Premiere Pro interface. The interface of Premiere Pro is designed to provide a comprehensive set of tools and features for video editing in a workspace that is organized and efficient. Here's an overview of the main elements of the Premiere Pro interface. 1. Menu bar. At the top of the interface, you'll find the menu bar, which provides access to various commands and options for managing your projects, sequences, and preferences. 2. Toolbar. Below the menu bar, you'll see the toolbar, which contains a set of tools for various tasks, such as selection, trimming, editing, and more. 3. Source Monitor and Program Monitor. The Source Monitor and Program Monitor are two panels that display your video clips. The Source Monitor allows you to preview and mark and slash out points of your source footage, while the Program Monitor displays the edited sequence that you're working on. 4. Project Panel. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the Project Panel, which displays all the media files and sequences in your project. You can use it to organize, import, and manage your media assets. These are some of the main elements of the Adobe Premiere Pro interface. The interface is highly customizable, allowing you to rearrange and resize panels according to your preference and workflow. Familiarizing yourself with the different panels and tools in the interface is an essential step in mastering Adobe Premiere Pro and efficiently editing your videos. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.